any given time, you should be able to integrate your advertising data into your CRM to see what type of results that it's producing. Facebook and Instagram are notorious for not producing super accurate data on conversions. That's where a sleep CRM comes into play. If you can link your Facebook ads with an effective sleep CRM, you can get accurate data reporting and understand that when you spend $1,000 in any given month on advertising, it produces X result or X cost per lead. You'll have a super defined set of data that lets you make wise business decisions moving forward. When selecting a CRM or a sleep CRM, ensure that it's able to integrate with whatever ad platform you choose to use, whether that's Google Ads, whether that's Facebook and Instagram or TikTok. You want those things to link so that you're not getting reporting for multiple locations. You want to link those things together so that you have one location to monitor the progress of your ad dollars.